This week I'm testing the Subaru Impreza. It's a 5-seater hatch. And these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 are the auto lock and unlock doors. It's as easy as walking up to the car and opening them. And then again, when you walk away, you just press the button on the door there and it locks itself, keeping your hands free for your little ones and carrying their stuff. Number 2 is how great the Impreza is to drive. It's not packed full with overcomplicated technology or anything like that. It's just a great get in and go, fast, light, corners well, responsive car. Number 3 is you can get 3 child seats in the back here. It is a bit of a squeeze, but they will fit. And legroom is fantastic. We could get a 180cm driver in front of a rear-facing child seat. I've really enjoyed driving the Impreza this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.